Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to add RSMB and MBL to your finished edit. First thing I want to say is that I'm not English, so sorry for my language mistakes. So add your magic bullet looks and click on edit. I want to tell you guys that I also saw a Lauren tutorial, so this is kinda her. Add the worm and make the color like near red but also near the gray. I don't know how to explain you, just look. Then add the curves. The curves has to be smooth, so like graphs, the curve has to be smooth and curvy. And then add pop. Increase that value to around 30 or 40. Once you've done, check that it's the coloring you wanna on your edit, and just do some like things to make it better. For example, here I was checking if all the frames were like okay with it, and yes, all those things. Then I just selected my work area, and you have to add an adjustment layer. Crop it so it will take just your edit. Select your adjustment layer and search up RSMB. Put the first keyframe at 1 and the other at 50, and you're basically done. Just make sure it doesn't show up so much, so it should be like smoother but not too much, because if it's too smooth you will notice that there's RSMB and it's not cool to notice it at the first view. So yes, just be sure it's not too much RSMB, and then you're basically done. You can then pre-compose your two clips together and maybe add an intro or the outro, because RSMB shouldn't be in the intro or in the outro. I hope that this tutorial helped you. Sorry again for my English mistakes, and nothing. Goodbye.